Ayun na nga, good news regarding sa stars. Kung ano iyon, panoorin niyo po ang video na ito. Marahil maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung mawawala din ba yung mga stars nyo kung sakasakali man pong mag-delete kayo ng mga reels, videos, or post nyo, i-delete nyo po ito. I have the same issues po and I have the same questions kung mawawala ba talaga yung mga yon. Since ayoko pong magbigay ng sarili ko pong opinion regarding po doon, minabuti ko po itong itanong kay Meta para po mabigyan tayo ng tamang kasagutan. At ito po yung itinanong ko sa kanila. If I delete real videos that my viewers dropped as stars, do the stars will be gone? It won't be credited to my account? If I delete a real video, post, photos, live videos that my viewers and followers has given stars, all those stars will be gone? Is that true? Ito po yung kasagutan nila. Thanks for confirming and drawing our attention to this issue, Walho. Don't worry, I'm here to assist ensuring correct resolution or at least getting you started the right route. The answer of your question here is yes. When you try to delete a video, the stars along with it will be deleted. So what you're saying is, even if stars has been credited to my account, I deleted the video reels, the post and live videos, all those will be gone, will be removed from my account. If it's already collected, then that's perfectly fine. The stars won't be deleted. That's what I mean. If the stars has been collected and credited to my account, it won't be removed, right? I mean, the stars was credited a day ago or a week ago. No worries, Wilhelm. Since it's already been collected, it won't be removed. You don't need to worry. That's the confusion I need to be cleared. Just a recap, all my stars that has been collected, though it's not yet been paid, will not be removed, right? Well, you're actually doing an amazing job. You didn't need to worry about Wilhelm. The stars won't be removed since it's already been collected. Sa madaling salita po, hindi po talaga nawawala yung mga stars natin as long as na-credit na po ito sa accounts po natin. Two things lang po talaga ang kailangan nating tandaan. Sabihin po nating nag-live kayo ngayong araw na to at may natanggap po kayong mga stars or di kaya nag-post kayo ng mga reels or videos nyo at may natanggap kayong stars. At the same day, nagkaroon po kayo ng flag content. Na-flag po yung content nyo na yun. Huwag nyo po munang i-delete agad yung live na videos nyo o di kaya yung post nyo. Siguraduhin nyo pong makapasok po muna ito at least 24 hours po. Normally, nag-a-update po ang monetization dashboards po natin every 3 p.m. po Pilipinas na oras. After 3 p.m., pwede nyo na pong i-delete yung mga videos na yun o yung mga reels na yun o yung live nyo po na nagkaroon po siya ng flag content. As long as nakapasok na po yung stars sa mga accounts po natin, okay na po yun. Nandun na po yun sa accounts natin. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po talaga nawawala yun. Pero paalala, mag-ingat pa rin po tayo sa paggawa po ng reels. Sa mga words na binabanggit po natin, sa mga contents na nakakapaloob din sa reels natin, sa mga titles na gagamitin natin. Kasi sayang po pag dinilit po natin yung reels tapos mataas na yung views. For more tips and questions on creating reels, follow for more. Bye!